Greetings and welcome to GWFM Learning Platform. We are pleased to provide you with instructions on how to navigate your course, track your progress, complete the course, and retake it. Our aim is to help you achieve your learning goals with utmost ease and convenience. To begin, we recommend that you familiarize yourself with the course curriculum and study materials. This will give you a clear understanding of what to expect, and what is required of you. As you progress through the course, you can track your progress and monitor your performance to ensure that you are meeting your objectives. Upon completing the course, you will be given a certificate of completion that attests to your knowledge and proficiency. If at any point you feel the need to revisit the course, you are free to retake it to further enhance your understanding. Let's get started. Once you have enrolled in a course and logged into your dashboard, you can jump right into the certification program by GWFM Learning. Inside the course, you will find important information such as course details, instructor information, reviews, Q&A, announcements, and resources. If you click on each tab, you will see more details on each part. To start learning, click on the Start Learning button if you are a new enrollee, or the Continue Learning button if you have already started. This will take you inside the course where you can click on the videos and course content and start learning. If you want to start fresh, you can move through the course chapters one by one. If you are an experienced person and want to move on, click on Mark as complete and move on to the next chapter to start learning. To track your progress in a course, you can refer to the progress bar on the course videos page or the course page. If you wish to receive your certificate before completing the course, you can click on the Complete the Course button. However, this does not mean that you have completed the course 100%. To achieve 100% progress in the course, you need to study each chapter to complete the course. So, make sure to go through each curriculum and enjoy the learning experience. After completing the course, click View Certificate to access your personalized certificate including your name and course name. You can now download and save your credentials, and also print a copy of your certificate. We hope that you find these instructions helpful, and wish you all the best in your learning journey.